On Saturday, September 21st, the second phase of Razavi Hospital in Iran's northeast city of Mashhad will be inaugurated in an official ceremony. The new building has 40,000 square meters of space with the most advanced facilities and medical equipment. But what makes it really important is its state-of-the-art nuclear medicine department.
One of the significant characteristics of this hospital, which can revolutionize the country's health system and can also attract medical tourists, is the Nuclear Medicine Center. In our Nuclear Medicine Center, diagnosis and treatment are both done together at the highest global standards.
US and some of its allies have imposed sanctions against Iran over its energy program, which they claim has military aspects. Iran says such a claim is baseless, adding that its nuclear program is aimed at generating electricity and medicines for. The Razavi Hospital is one of the medical centers that receive nuclear medicines from Iran's Atomic Energy Organization.
We have a good cooperation with Atomic Energy Organization of Iran. They have provided us a different variety of radio tracers, mainly molybdenum technetium generator, and also they have provided different kind of cold kits which needed for the general nuclear medicine.
With the most advanced nuclear medicine department in Iran, Razavi Hospital can provide services to cancer patients from all over the country. It can also be an ideal destination for medical tourism. The new phase of Razavi Hospital has 7 advanced operation rooms in which surgeons can communicate with other operation rooms all over the world. The new hospital has been equipped with 7 high-tech operation rooms capable of performing any kinds of surgeries. It's also possible to equip these ORs with robotic systems. The hospital can accept between 50 to 100 patients every day only at its nuclear medicine department. This is the second major medical project developed and financed by Astan Quds Razavi. The charitable foundation is planning for a major project to establish a health complex with various hospitals and medical facilities near Mashhad. Ehsan Kayvani, Press TV, Mashhad.